Black Fingers checking in. You know, I was just thinking about this. I'm 39 years old, and I grew up literally using the washers that was outside. I'm in a laundromat right now, but I grew up using the washers that was outside. So some of my older followers probably be familiar with it, but I grew up in southeast Arkansas. My grandfather stayed in Arkansas City, and he actually owned his home and a little piece of land on the side, and he had a washer right beside the house, you know, at the back door to the left side, I believe. And he had one of those washing machines that didn't have a top. You threw your clothes in there with your detergent or whatever, and you wash it. And once it's done with a cycle of washing, you get it and you put it through this little roller deal, and it'll, you know, squeeze all the water out of it. You know what I'm saying? It was crazy because I used to be scared I was gonna get my hands stuck in there. You know what I mean? But it's crazy, man, how left behind the South was at that time, because other people wasn't even on that. They had already elevated to, you know, something else. But this was my grandfather was using in southeast Arkansas, Arkansas City, and I remember it like it was yesterday. We used it for a while, actually. You know what I'm saying? Man, history is something else, man. So when I sit here now and enjoy using these washers, you know, I've been thinking like, man, I remember when times was a whole lot rougher. You know what I'm saying? When we actually hung our clothes outside. You know what I mean? So I don't know, man. You know what I mean? Life is something else, man. So as you live, you learn, you travel. It keeps you humble. You know what I mean? Like no matter what I got or what level I go to, you know what I mean? I'm always gonna remember where I've been and how it was. So, you know, I know how to survive with a little. Just like, you know, you can survive with a lot. Hold on.